You want to talk about being spontaneous? Spontaneous. We are going to begin these vlogs with me going to Vegas. I'm going to link up with Trappy, Lefty, Chris, and Mackie. Mackie is on Street Outlaws with Kimbo. I'm gonna go help them do that. We're gonna do some trail stuff over there. We're gonna have fun. But today I'm still in New York. I am leaving tomorrow. It's a weird day today. It's a really, really weird day. I'm trying to figure everything out as I go along today. But I do know this is what I got to do. Kevin, bottle fed. He's the gunner that runs the all motor list. The Keep Gunning Top 10 All Motor list on Instagram, wherever. He is heading over here. We're going to swap doors. He's going to take Project Driver. I told him, hey, he wrote in the comment, you need a babysitter for Project Driver? I said, come get it. Am I giving too much in the intro? Welcome back, YouTubers, gunners, subscribers. Let's start gunning. All right, now. All right, guys. All right, guys. All right. All right, so. All right. All right, guys. Yep, all right. All right, guys. All right. All right, so. Okay, boys. You got something to say, 40?
Yeah. Hi.
Hear me out, gunners. Hear me out. I'm leaving for a couple of days, right? So, I want to get the engine bay painted because I want it to be a different color from the car. So I have to strip the engine bay. You notice the intercooler's missing, fuse box, I took off the headlights, whatever. Because the guy that's painting it for me was like, hey, listen, it'll be, more affordable for you if you strip the engine bay. So this stuff right here, he's gonna be, tape it up, move it maybe through here, push that through there. And I gotta get rid of all these fuel lines and stuff. So I made them real easy. We got some hangers up there. I took that off. I'm gonna rip this regulator out, go underneath the line, go underneath the car, take off that feed line and return, and that'll basically, the only thing I told them was, you take care of the brake booster, bro. I ain't gonna have enough time to do that. So I really wanna clean this thing up here. I really wanna clean all this paint up. But this intercooler looks great. Look at that. It'll be so easy to detach. Pick it up. It's like a whole solid unit here. Whole rig, whole unit. Kevin's here.
What's going on?
You're excited?
Oh yeah.
What are you doing today? They don't know yet. Well, they do know, but you explain it.
Taking PD. Taking it for the week. Yonkers to Vegas. I'm gonna show PD to Jersey Shore.
All right, so big shout out to my boy Kev. He's here helping me out. We put we basically made the RXK into a roller. They're gonna come pick up the car and they're gonna get the engine bay painted. While we're waiting for the tow truck, me and Kevin are basically gonna swap the doors and put the stock ones back on so he can just enjoy himself. So that's where we're at. All right, Kevin got to move the car because we've got to get the RXK out. I'm excited for him, man. He's going to have a good time. Can you believe I'm leaving my car with a gunner I met a few years ago? Look at that. Natural. Took off the driver's side door. Took that cut one out. And we're going to put back the power doors so Kevin can enjoy the car. He's taking off the passenger side door right now. Left him with a full tank of gas. He brought some gas drums with him. He's gonna stop at the BP over here, fill up some gas drums so he doesn't have to drive all the way back over here for that same consistency. Oh, you see that? You see that? Let's see how this closes. Go ahead. Back to money. Nice. Lined up again. Perfect. Sweet. It's almost time. It's almost time for you to get out of here and enjoy it. Let's just double check some oil and stuff and I'll show you where the BP is and you're golden. My boy came ready, guys. Look at this. 3 drums. He's gonna go fucking fill up some corn.
Oh yeah.
And then have a blast. Have a blast. Kev, I love you, brother.
Love you too. Thanks, man.
Anytime. You got everything out of your car?
Yeah.
You're good? You're golden? ID, everything?
Yep.
Enjoy the car. Have fun. Be safe, bro.
Thank you.
Let's get out of here. Keep gunning, brother. Have fun, man. Enjoy it. Kevin took Project Driver. He's gonna go enjoy that car while I'm in Vegas. I told him have as much fun as possible, man. Enjoy the car, protect it, love it, and I know he's gonna do that. I met Kevin here roughly about 2 years ago. He came here as a non-believer. I met him on an Instagram comment or in a DM. I said, bro, come meet me, man. Find out who I am first before you judge me. We sat here. We kicked it for a couple of hours. I gave him a bunch of parts for his brother's car, and I said, never judge a book by its cover, especially on the internet. 2 years later, we're real close friends, and he just took my car. I told him, do whatever you want with it. This is how you drive it. Have fun. Enjoy it. That's what this movement is about. When I first started this movement, I was doubted, man. I was doubted. I was hated on by some of the biggest names. I'm telling you guys. Some of the biggest names in racing said I was going to fail, said I was going to rob a bunch of people, said I was going to rob my sponsors. I lost a bunch of sponsors. Where are they now? Where are you? What have you done for your followers? How have you impacted a life? How have you changed the world? You didn't do shit but hate, spread negativity, and my movement continues to prosper. I wanted to dedicate this clip to saying exactly what I just said. It's off right here. It's from the heart. So, I love you gunners, man. Thank you for being a part of the movement. Thank you for trusting me, most importantly. So, back to business. Doors are off. I'm going to go tuck those away, clean up the shop. Waiting for the tow truck, pick up the RXK. I'm going to show you guys how it looks all stripped outside. And I just want to get some progress done while I'm gone. I want to work while I'm not working. Does that make any sense? So we'll get the engine bay painted. By the time I get back, it'll be ready. Put it back on the lift. Trappy will come back with me, hopefully, or a few days after. And then from there, we can begin the process of building the car. Hope you like that clip. Got the big fella outside. Big fella outside. Where are you? So I stripped it as much as I could to make this guy's job much easier. So when we get the car over there, I'm gonna tell him, just take that wiring, hang it out of there, and get this bay all nice and done for me. I need a nice hard line right there, pause, on that carbon box that we made. And I just need this to look flawless, nice and clean. We're not building no halfway car here. But you get the theme where we're going here. We got red. We got a little bit of green. We're doing some fun stuff with the car. So wait for the tow truck to get here. And this guy's off for paint. That's it. RXK is out of here, guys. I got all my ducks in a row. So when I get back, I'm finishing up the giveaway motor, the B Series 1300 horsepower motor. So I ordered the right grommets. These look like K Series, definitely, but the part number said B Series part number. So this part number here for the smaller grommet is this guy here. Just a little reference for anyone. Hold on, it'll clear up. There it is. So there goes the grommets for the valve cover on that. I also picked up the injector grommet too. So I got those guys here. I picked up my dipstick. We got everything there. There goes injector shop. Pretty good stuff right here. They sell a whole rebuild kit for injectors. I've got my 10s for that side cover. Remember, the special 10s. Obviously the dipstick. Here goes your B Series dipstick part number, in case you guys needed that help. But that's pretty much it, man. I'm gonna get all my stuff ready, basically. So when I get back, I'm ready to kick butt. You know what I mean? That's pretty much it for today's vlog, guys. I just wanted to keep you in the loop, keep you up to date on what my plans are for this week and going into next week. And that's it. So I'll be leaving tomorrow morning to Vegas. Wish me safe travels in the comments. Wish me a safe flight. I'd appreciate it. My family would appreciate it. I'm going to miss you guys, but I'm taking you along with the ride with me. We're going to miss this garage here. But, you know, it's time to go out there and enjoy the world, man. You know, the world is big. And I just need to start focusing on enjoying myself, because I just feel like these like four walls here, they made me into everything that I am. They've changed my life. They changed your life. They've changed my family's life. But every now and then I need a break from this place, and this is my opportunity. So I'm going to go out to Vegas. I'm going to try to have as much fun as I can for a couple of days. And I'm already thinking about coming back. I can't believe it. It's just my mentality. Like, I'm already thinking about, man, I can't wait to come back and see the engine bay painted, put on the rest of the part, whatever. I'll catch you guys in a couple of days, hopefully tomorrow. And maybe we can vlog me getting to the air. Whatever. Like, comment, subscribe. Keep gunning.